Hello and welcome. My name is Will and today we are here with Grob Machine Tools using Lang work holding and Imugi franking tooling to explore how SolidCam can machine parts with complex fixturing and geometry precisely and quickly. When multi-axis machining at high volume, a must is a highly capable machine tool, and with the Grob G350 we have exactly that.
But talking about the Grob platform itself, the strengths of the machine, that high acceleration, the chip fall benefits, the tunnel setup, increasing that rigidity. In the UK we have a very strong applications team which has recently increased, so we're able to develop and create and be involved in turnkey projects from start to finish. We also have a wide and large service team, so the response time from a service perspective is very quick, I would say, based on my experience with other machine tool manufacturers. Yeah, having worked on Grob machines in the past in the automotive sector, manufacturing control systems, these were some of the best machines I'd ever worked on at the time and still are. Their speed, accuracy, dynamics of the machine, they're fantastic.
The G350 has really been a great asset when working on this project, with it having the ability to invert the table and having a horizontal spindle. It is a great combination of versatility and rigidity. It has allowed us to have a large reach and work around multiple pieces of stock. But it isn't just the machine that's made this possible. The next key step in being able to machine multiple multi-axis parts at once is a great fixture for our parts, and we have that on display with Lang.
Lang Technic are considered a pioneer in the field of clamping. Our pyramid solutions are really in sort of entry level into automation. Our pyramids allow you to access all 5 faces of 3 parts. So effectively you can get finished parts in a single operation, and obviously 3 times the amount you would get. Not only do you save time because you're getting 3 parts out, you also save all the tool changing time.
As we can see, the Lang pyramid and vice setup we are using today has not only allowed lots of clearance for getting in and around this complex part, it has also allowed us to machine 3 parts in one setup, allowing us to minimize total machining time. With the pyramid, we also have a 0-point fixture, which allows us to accurately position this every time, and a second can be built up while the machine is running. Moving on, another integral part to being able to machine precise parts quickly is tooling. Using Imugi franking tooling and their wide variety of tooling has enabled this to happen.
Imugi franking tooling is obviously the highest quality, highest accuracy, highest precision. We believe we are one of the leaders in the global cutting tool market. Well, today we've supplied the solution with the Franken AliCut range, which is a standard off-the-shelf solution, so there's no specials, and because there's no specials, we're an ideal partner for this partnership today.
Now, with our finished part, you can see how the right tooling can make all the difference to the success and the quality of a job, along with using the right tool in the right application to optimize cycle times every step of the way. So to summarize, we have seen the part produced be influenced by 3 key areas so far. Those have been machine, fixture and tooling. But there is a final piece to this puzzle, and that is the CAM system. SolidCam has taken in the data for each aspect we have looked at so far and allowed us to apply toolpaths, digitally machine the part and run through what-if scenarios and optimizations to make sure that we get the best quality part as accurately and as quickly as possible. From using patented iMachining to rough material efficiently and effectively to forming high precision surfaces with barrel tools, SolidCam has an array of tools to maximize your machine's performance.